How to update DoorDash Dasher app on your iPhone. So let's just get started. First things first, just go to your App Store. That's the first step. Open up your App Store and then go to the search bar. Now here you'll need to search for your DoorDash Dasher. So just search for it. After you search for it, you will just have to open it up. But before that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back. So after you find DoorDash Dasher, just open this up and right here instead of open you will see an update option. Tap on update if there is an update available, and after you tap on it, it will automatically download the update and then set it up for you, and you'll just be able to use your DoorDash Dasher. So yeah, that is basically how you update your app, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.